What's up, everybody? I'm excited to announce we have a winner for the Super Clean giveaway. A winner was chosen, and I'd like to thank Super Clean for giving me the chance and opportunity to do this. I really love their product. It's really good, and it does what it says it's actually going to do. I'm going to reach out to them and see if they might become a supporter of the channel, because I really like working with them and I like their product so much. But the winner of the Super Clean giveaway was chosen, and it's Lone Wrench Garage. I'll post his description up, and I need you to get a hold of me through my email in my description, and I'll need your name and address so Super Clean can send you a box of their products. And I thank everybody that participated. I really like doing this giveaway, and I'd like to do another giveaway of something else. Who knows what it might be, but I need to reach 500 subscribers, and I need your help. I need your help getting there. So I need y'all to like and subscribe and share. I mean, help me grow this channel. And I know everything's new to me and I'm starting out, but gotta start somewhere, and what the heck, I mean, let's see how far we can get this channel. But congratulations to Lone Wrench Garage, and thanks to everybody that participated, and thank you very much, Super Clean. Until the next one, God bless you and have a great day.